Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to continue with 6.6, that is capital budgeting technique. Okay, so dalam capital budgeting technique, there is two types of cash flow which are non-discounted as well as discounted cash flow. So apa perbezaan dia? Bila discounted, they will be using the time value of money formula lah. Okay, so now kita fokus dulu kepada non-discounted cash flow method. Untuk non-discounted cash flow method, ada dua jenis, iaitu payback period as well as accounting rate of return. So usually yang paling famous ialah payback period lah. Okay, so now let's take a look at the payback period. Payback period is measure how quickly the firm can recover its initial outlay. So basically we're going to calculate the number of years lah. Berapa tahun yang company ni perlu untuk bayar balik dia punya initial outlay. Dia punya investment lah, initial investment. So the formula for payback period will be initial outlay divided with annual cash flows. So kita akan accept if its payback period is less than or equal to the firm's maximum desired payback period. So biasanya firm maximum desired period ni will be in the question lah. Okay, so dari situ kita kira dan kita dapat payback period is less than the maximum desired payback period. So kita boleh accept the project. Okay, so now kita tengok pada example. Okay, so now kita tengok example macam mana nak buat payback period ni. Okay, so still referring to the sample question 4B. B3 Roman, dia suruh kita kira the payback period. Okay, so earlier kita dah kira initial outlay. Initial outlay kita dapat 2275500. And by referring to our differential cash flow, kita dapat year 1 to year 4, 498250. And year 5, 597500. So kita punya formula untuk payback period is initial outlay divided with annual cash flow. So annual cash flow tu dapat dari mana? Daripada differential cash flow lah. Okay, so sekarang payback period ni kita nak kira berapa tahun. So kita tahu daripada year 1 until year 4 kita akan dapat 498250. So darablah untuk 4 tahun. 498257 times with 4 years. So total dah ada 1993. Okay, 1,993,000. So initial outlay kita 2275500. So ada berapa tahun lagi untuk kita cover balik kita punya initial investment. So kita ambil lah initial outlay, tolakkan dengan 4 years ni. So kita ada baki lagi 282,500. Okay, so kita tahu dalam 282,500 ni berapa tahun lagi dia ada untuk cover dia punya cash flow untuk year 5. So kita pun bahagilah initial outlay, maksudnya balance initial outlay ni lah 282,500 bahagikan dengan annual cash flow 597,500. Okay, so equal to initial outlay bahagikan dengan year 5. Okay, so kita ada lagi 0.472. So untuk tahun kelima ni kita memerlukan 0.47 tahun untuk cover dia. So total berapa tahun kita akan cover? Year 1 to year 4 ni 4 tahun lah. So 4 tahun tambahkan dengan 0.47. Sorry. Equal to 4 years plus. So kita memerlukan 4 tahun 4.472 years, which is less than the maximum desired payback period. Itu 5 tahun lah. Okay, so kita accept the project. Okay, now kita move kepada accounting rate of return, AROR. So AROR is used to compare average after tax profits generated by the capital project with the average size of investment required. So formula will be average accounting profits divided with average investment. So kita akan accept if the project of its AROR is higher or equal to the firm's maximum acceptable AROR. So again, the firm's maximum acceptable AROR will be stated in the question. So you kira lah kalau AROR tu lebih tinggi or equal, then the firm can accept the project. But it's rarely asked for the accounting rate of return. So now let's see the textbook, page 257. Okay, example untuk AROR. Sorry, turn to page 260. Okay, 260. So first dia bagi formula untuk accounting rate of return lah, iaitu average accounting profit. So how you going to calculate the average accounting profit is total after tax accounting profits for n years divided with n years. And for the average investment, you will take the initial outlay plus with expected salvage value divided with 2. Okay, so itulah formula dia. Okay, so ni soalan example 16. Okay, so first nak calculate AROR, kita akan find the average accounting profit. So average accounting profit, you take lah 2,500 tambah 2,500 tambah 3,000 tambah 3,500 tambah 4,000 and then divide with 5 years. So you akan dapat average accounting profit. And then kita akan calculate the average investment. You're going to take the initial investment 50,000 plus with expected salvage value 5,000 divide with 2. So you akan dapat 3,100 untuk average accounting profit, and you will get 27,500 for the average investment. So AROR you bagilah 3,100 bagikan dengan 27,500 and you will get, and times with 100, you will get 11.27%. So 11.27% kita akan compare with the firm's minimum AROR lah. Untuk example 16 dia tak mention, but example 17 dia mention the firm's minimum AROR is 10%. So kalau bila kita kira, let's say lah untuk example 16 pun minimum AROR dia ialah 10%, so kita akan accept lah. We're going to suggest the company to accept the project because the AROR is higher than the firm's minimum AROR. So itulah untuk accounting rate of return. Since soalan suruh kita analyse, so you kena tulislah balik. Okay, tulislah. The total cash flow from year 1 to year 4 is 1,993,000. We need additional 282,500 to recover the initial outlay. Hence, year 5, year 5 kita pun akan 282,500 bagikan dengan 597,500, you equal to 0.47 years. Therefore, the payback period equal to 4 years plus with 0.47 years will give to 4.472 years, which is lower than the maximum desired payback period. Hence, company should accept the project. Itulah untuk payback period. Okay.